Ebusanfo mamunyina akwaba eba Ghana Sem TV GH. Mesro like, comment, subscribing, turn your notification so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. Yanko ene asem no swe. I say Captain Smart, they say the people he has managed to train, they are indeed doing better than him. The kind of unregulated journalism that some media men showcase our media houses. One thing that them say very problematic Ghana Hanene say our media landscape ain't regulated. The media and I say journalism I say a profession in Ghana is not a profession, a calling. Yeah, being a journalist in Ghana is a calling. The moment you have a nice face, a nice voice, you can sweat under AC. If you are a lady, you are hipsy, you have Ghana, you have a fair skin, you qualify to be a journalist in Ghana.
People like Miracle Sabadi, where were they? When some foolish people in MPP were going after John Dramani Mahama.
And so nobody cares about training, no, which is the most important aspect. But we always tell Ghanaians, say, this country, if there is anything that is going to be a threat to our democracy, is the media. Go and ask in Rwanda what happened. The Rwandan genocide that happened, no, it took statements from a media men. It's for that reason that in Rwanda, there is only one radio station. Yeah. Because things that you say, no, it can cause anger, it can cause strife. And so when you have media men who will not uphold standard, then your democracy is in jeopardy. And seriously speaking, and then I was going, the whole day I was very sad. Okay. Yes, I was very sad because we had lost someone that was very, very dear to many of us. Someone that had a lot of impact on many of us. So I was virtually, and the network was not network. So I was scrolling through my FYP or Facebook, and I came across a video, and I was so appalled. Journalists be were Accra FM already. Meaning say Accra FM there a pro NDC media, and I say a radio. But at least sometimes no. What you mean say we a media house we a pro NDC, but you expect some level of a professionalism. And because a media house is pro NDC, so you throw professionalism to the dogs. Oh, we have sunk so low, Ghana. As I said, yeah, we are sinking so low. I say, Papa, no, friend, no, Nana, the bibi. I branch ni one offense, so, ni one offense. Bema kama. Na bema we otena wa. Ni one offense, you know. As if there will be na numa, ni nua. Cause asem kwa na every numba. It came to a time I was feeling like, wait, am I watching a wrong clip? Is it the same person that whose face I'm seeing who is talking? Because sorry to say, the kind of hatred some people have for Alhaji Dr. Bawumia no. Me you want me to say you? And Dr. Bawumia, why then? What has Dr. Bawumia done wrong? Today, we are benefiting from the ingenuity of the man Alhaji Dr. Bawumia. Today, I can Dr. Bawumia, ni party ni power. His party is in opposition. But our more speaking assignment outside this nation than the sitting president. Oxford ni now obi kasa. Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia that they invite. They don't invite John Mahama, His Excellency, no. They invite the person who is in opposition. Universities in Canada, in the US. You see, we don't know the quality of a person that God has gifted Oman Ghana with. Until when you see journalists like this guy, because of Phyllis say, Dennis Miracles, Abuajaka, Sembia, on Penti. See, nobody is interested in attacking His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. Yen MPP4, no, we are not uncouth. We are civilized. Yeah, MPP4, we are civilized, let me tell you. So what we do is critiquing. We critique. We take whatever you are doing, we look at the positive and the negative aspect of it. We are not always criticizing. They say, I didn't wrong. No, we don't do that. And there's a clear difference between critiquing and criticizing. When NDC was in opposition, they were mainly criticizing. There were even Igate crying this for saying. Yeah. Ghana card, NDC for saying. SIM registration, almost saying. That was the kind of opposition they were giving us. But we are not giving them that kind of opposition. Let's go and listen to this guy. Maybe you put it, I'm exaggerating. Let's go and listen to him. You see that indeed what Asama Mikano no cray. I'll sing the next one. Not go anywhere. Cheers. For still your project about the studio still your course. For some time now, no, man, I've not been able to come your way directly from productions because of one or two things. And Doom Sons and Sema course were gonna hands so easy and Doom Sony network. So that is why you've not heard updates from the studio project now. But we are still on, and you can support us using the numbers as they appear on your screen. Thanks to all of you who have actually come to our aid. Ghana TV GHD. And yet, as other blocks know, we are a family and we are doing this together. And the penultimate aim, and say, we want to see the elephant back to the Jubilee House. And however you support us for us to achieve that aim now, please do.
Fault. We are watching to say, you go after Dr. Bawumia, they will go after you. You come after Dr. Bawumia, they will come after you. Eti obi bekas yamfansa kane kwanswa no ankomu protect omura. But where were the likes of Miracles Abuaje? When some foolish people in MPP, Eka say President Mahama and Ekuma Tamils, people like Miracles Abuaje, where were they? When some foolish people in MPP were going after John Dramani Mahama, where were they? Kwamokai Jibro Kanazwe, that Burkina Bay contractor, Oma Oche President Mahama, Ford was an Explorer expedition, and even that car, President Mahama added it to the fleet of cars at the presidency. Senia MPP Miracles Abuaje Sopa, President Mahama Ukruma. Did anybody come after them because they came after President Mahama? It's a Munwa who draw bang, and I am finding President Mahama Ukrumano. And some bang. And I ain't come for President Mahama Hungu Krumhanum. But because Oya Boko or Damreo on Penua Semunti, a lot of times President Mahama Baka Semunja Maninka. And today, small boy like you, Miracles Abuaje, small boy like you. What could I get to a small boy, Makoda? Oh, team radio, so can say, I was on TV. If you come after Bawumia, hey, I'm warning you from today, you Miracles Abuaje. This is a great warning to you. Me warn you, I was citizen show, so me na know to that. If you dare come after John Mahama from today, me and my people, we also come after you. Sa grona muti kroma na mudi no. Sabi, Dr. Bawumia Bobra, me fama no me no muna nimtia. But what is good for the goose is equally good for the gander. And me catch them who say, and kwesi say President Mahama be wi na mamu. Na ndisi be 40 years. Obi enu obeda okrom. Who did see a better? Yeah, and yet did this first ahead of the 2016 elections and Crawford did some Munu Kankan Samo Chromarum, and we are said control our President Mahama co-position. Let us send you President Mahama. And I'm telling you, Miracles Abuaje, if you like, from today, you people should also come after President Mahama. We will come after you. You come after you. You are no Vice President Krampo Mubuno. Me and the highest pedigree in life or the beko womb or be president, vice president, mubuno. Now you're not quite former president. As a president, or no the mumu, or no you can come after him. Now you come after umu dia, no the mu protect it. Koto dia nebu nyanyan tremfan honko. So that is it. I mean, I'll not waste my time on people like Miracles Abuaji. They don't merit the credit award of this station. But I'm saying, say mhunu no kan no. Say papa mumpo ayate. Papa mumpo ate. See ehwe, nkrani beka bia wonta. Be wonkwe. Yeguso hwe. Say people like Miracles Abuaji be come and watum e won say me ho. We are not saying don't criticize the government. Say the head be ameka. Criticize President Mahama. President Mahama is not above criticisms. Mikra me yene bano. Toda bia oya de na mani nji ho ameka. Because I don't want my father to fail. So that is the essence of love. Criticize him constructively. But we are what you say. All the politics, the partisanship, ebe set agenda. Atu futura Ghana for nia. Ho na be hunu say we share che wane nema. Eti kwajo. Monka tra Miracles Abuaji say. So grow in any swat. I grow in any say no.
So my want to be not interested in who will succeed him. There be. Baby, what they need near action. A horse. A whole crown chain baby was see no. It's mommy any nini. My man quite a josso crabby. A josso MPP assemble ho NDC assemble a wajuso. My men 10 PP didn't fear jusso. And Rami whom video be and chimpo. Say city member of parliament for Ejoso, lawyer Kwabna Boating. Now walk he can be say, and may be a coso, so he may win or he may not win. Maybe I wouldn't maintain the seat. Our primaries into me was 1 year bonnet, and I encore for a casse, and I'm so support too, or look at the Japan tea, and now party for no. Ebiko pa bodi bi say yanunti na party policy sade ya so support on make the Japan dia and ye woman ento aso bi mesre mo menhwa de bi kakra MPB ya wo ho no mo a wo say we confident so be winning no enye say wo support Dr Bawumia anase wo support bi anase si enye sa ejina se wo sini party for no enanti yi e wo constituency ye no wo baako factors ne dose me kakakra ye ne one factor. Another factor so they say control over womo a omoto abano. Let us not forget to say album we ya e wo say ya ejoso album no enye lawyer Kwabna Boating a time eno mo yesa album no eminu a John Kuma we free mu the time no mo yesa album no it is album we free mu John Kuma free mu no sa album no mo le to aba eye promise ediji Kwabna Boating lawyer enti nipa now, and don't forget to say we are to about 2023 November 2023 now you to about November 4th. Yes, you to about yi Dr Bawumia no ejoso enya one of the highest votes emma Dr Bawumia abrana John Kuma tiase the same album. It is our album no enipa be omo was ndodo na ye lawyer to Obia, lawyer to John Kuma, even though he's gone. But a lot of the people, the register are not a lawyer to John Kuma, even though he's gone. And by extension, lawyer to Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. That for me, that is a fact. But lawyer Boating so buying, say you don't want the yaba or the two about a man. Album the benefit for lawyer Mestre. Emma kase bi ma MOB emme kase woko support to olobo kene Japan ti enna obi epese obetu yene de yenya ne sa yene de yenya ne sa contest akoso na ayi insoma duaji deputy that no a deputy no majority chief whip onabo no dompre say go for contest no sian. Then Ghana Library Authority see you or contest no baby bebre contest akoso baby bebre contest bekoso enti men ka say me koye wei e ma wei nti na wei si emetumi afi akonya no bie no mo ye fi akonya ni nyina eye elected office enti so bi so no be contest ya munsusu nka se wei nti na maye se ne wei nti se se be producer wo ba no bie no ma wo se obo an ho ba se o kwabna wati lawyer ko wo ko no ye ma obi e me contest and I want to say me call even though a year elected office no me come and obia me contest me and the BBSC that BBA assessor BBA say ni ho me yem part ni mwadwo what I say part ni mwadwo ya to abawi flag bearer ya to abawi wantwi bia ma obia nkase yesisi no omo a omo call other side obia back on board side democracy tie enti mom ye nya ne saa kakra Boating say party for na wa so constituency no omo epa wasema meje so mbeto abanama wonya bone wonya obi abone enya bone nti obi be contest wo eye obi a right say the ye wo so right say obi contest no sa pepepe me nya me ado am contest as communication director me bompa ye say mu obi a me contest me say be ya ekameko on oppose na ka ne de efe when the will be no we as per contest but mean ka say so be free baby beggars and a man support to candidate we no we should ma by stance we aligned to this person and a war babe contest me there be a post akwana media a post akwana abeda ni na ye be preview what I say enti but ni na ne se me adoma me de me bomb pa say me ko oppose but contest ba so anya me be boye obedi achi am ya contest kama whoever comes party me say juma na ya no omunim ombeto abana amaye eti adwoso de no me de besi wono mo ko ye na mo hwe kasa na emrafom then again adwoso wono mo anga